Hello, my name is Patroy Montague, student of the University of the West Indies Open Campus, doctoral program in teaching and learning with emerging technologies. The purpose of my presentation today is to focus on digital tools for teaching and learning. And to be more specific, I'll be looking at Histogram, a Web 2.0 tool which is interactive and collaborative. Now, what is Instagram? According to Christensen 2014, Instagram is an online photo sharing service which is available on social media platform that continues to gain momentum. It allows you to apply different types of photo filters to your pictures with a single click, then share them with others. Looking at the demographics for Instagram, WordStream states that there are over 800 million people on Instagram, with 1/3 of that amount being teenagers. Now, what are some educational uses for Instagram? First of all, you use it primarily to show students' work. You can capture memories of co-curricular and extracurricular events. You can also create unique projects like lesson plans and other school-related or educational activities. You can also use them for homework purposes and comment section by assisting students. Now, what are some ways this tool increases learning? The first one I want to look at is visual intelligence. Students can interpret incoming information visually through the posting of pictures, maps, diagrams such as plans and layouts. And of course, this caters to the visual learner. For those who are acquainted with the VARC learner profile, this addresses that aspect of it. The next intelligence it speaks to is linguistic intelligence. Teachers can upload pictures and share, then ask the students to observe and provide specific types of feedback. This encourages the student to use their linguistic skills. The next intelligence that this speaks to is logical mathematical, where the students will be able to detect patterns by giving them pictures and ask them to crop image through Photoshop, and by virtue of that they can also use this same program to create puzzles, which is another aspect of the teaching learning process. The next intelligence it speaks to is interpersonal intelligence. Teacher can motivate and engage students in group and Instagram activities like debate teams. So whatever team projects they are a part of, this can be captured, the visual aspect of it, and audio as well, and other works that are group related can also be used as part of the collaborative process. Now, when we look at Instagram, we can conclude that, of course, this tool will not cater to all learning styles at the higher level. When it comes on to graduate and undergraduate, it will not cater to all the learning styles at that level. Because it's evidence-based, photos which can be manipulated, if distorted, can create damage in terms of relationship among stakeholders. So that is a very sensitive area. However, this photo sharing application can play a very effective role in education. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you can make your decision to utilize the benefits of Instagram in your teaching learning environment.